this isn't my act for talent show. This is clearly Penny's act for talent show. Penny is, you've all met Penny by now. Penny is 10 years old. When she was a puppy, she was very rambunctious. But she's always been very sweet. And so, when she was little, we did something called Canine Good Citizen training with her because I wanted her to be like a therapy dog one day. We didn't bother doing that, but she is a Canine Good Citizen and she knows a lot of tricks. Well, she used to know a lot of tricks. There's something about old dogs and tricks. I can't remember what it is. But anyway, we're going to see how much she can remember tonight. So, the first thing we're going to say is, Penny, can you lie down? Can you settle? No, lie down. Can you settle down? Settle down. Good girl. Okay, can you sit up? And shake. Shake that right hand. Good girl. Sometimes forget which hand to shake with, don't you? Yeah. Okay, I want you to come over here. Right here. Can you sit? Good face me. No, right. Wait. Okay, Penny, come. All right, Penny. Come here. Come here. Penny. Hey, look. You want cheese? You want cheese? Sit. Lie down. Stay. So stay and wait are two different commands. Right? So wait is like, I just need you to be there. Stay is she's meant to stay there until I come back to her. So we'll see if she remembers. This is a hard one for her. So you're going to stay, okay? Stay. No. The call of the cheese is too strong. Come back. Sit. Lie down. Stay. You can do it. We believe in you. Stay. Good girl. Here, sit, lie down. Wait. Okay.